Some might know it as Wisteria Lane from ABC's Desperate Housewives. Let's take a little look around. We have been filming here for multiple decades. Coming up over to your left is beige and white house. That is where Jimmy Stewart lived in the 1950s film Harvey. Right next door, this purple house, that is where the Munsters lived in the classic television show The Munsters. It's also featured as the Victorian in the new show The Burbs. Fans of Never Have I Ever on Netflix, this yellow and brick house to your left is where Davy and her family lived. But mostly we have been working on The Burbs. Welcome to Ashfield Place.
Welcome to Ashfield Place, the safest town in America. So, what's the deal with that Victorian house? There have been whispers of murder. Which one of us is the murderer?
So are we going to go in?
Do white ladies love salads? Hell yeah, we're going in.
The Burbs is based on the movie The Burbs, with Tom Hanks, Carrie Fisher filmed in this exact same neighborhood back in the 1980s. We also filmed out here for the television show Ted. There's a house that used to be painted blue, like you see on your screens. It's this white house to your left-hand side. White house, turquoise door. We filmed here quite a bit for The Burbs, but when it's painted blue, it's the Bennett house. Ted, his best friend John, the whole Bennett family, filmed inside that house, on the roof, on the lawn, took over this whole neighborhood for Ted. And Ted used a lot of digital effects. That's how they create, well, that fluffy teddy bear. Let's check in with Ted Bennett.
Hi, Ted Bennett, 2 feet 5 inches. I am locally based, SAG eligible, and I will not shave.
All right, let's shoot.
Hi, my name is Allie, and I'm the visual effects coordinator on TED Season 2.
Here we go.